excited to meet you here at the College of Arts and Sciences.
Marami ang oportunidad, ganoon din ang posibilidad. Ibibigay sa'yo labis na talino, nananapin ang tagumpay mo. Dito lang sa CAS, the College of Arts and Sciences. Ang CAS ang tutulong sa'yo sa asenso. Buhay ay aayos sa lalawak ang imahinasyon. Ang CAS palagi namin sigaw ang CAS.
The college aims to provide exemplary leadership essential to the education of proficient and humane professionals in the arts and sciences.
Nais mong gumaling o humusay.
Narito ang CAS para sa iyong dito lang sa CAS, the College of Arts and Sciences. Ang CAS ang tutulong sa'yo sa asenso. Buhay ay aayos sa lalawak ng imahinasyon. Ang CAS.
At dito, naipapakita nila, naipapamalas nila sa iba't ibang tao kung ano ba yung mga kaya nilang gawin.
Bachelor of Science in Psychology. This program offers a rigorous and in-depth understanding of human behavior and mental processes. It aims to provide students with solid basic and practical knowledge in psychology, with additional preparation in the natural sciences that will enable them to respond to the needs of society in promoting optimal functioning.
Hi, we are the Bachelor of Science in Psychology, ready to fight the mental health stigma and stereotypes and to promote the overall mental well-being.
Bachelor of Science in Criminology. The BS Criminology program aims to encourage a thorough understanding and research on the nature, causes, treatment, or punishment of criminal behavior and how criminal justice agencies respond to crime, criminals, and victims.
Batch June! Huwag kamay! Na! Huwag kamay! Na! Hi! We are from Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Sabayan ko po! Na! We unify honor and dignity to achieve equal rights and justice.
Bachelor of Science in Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences. The BS FAS is a 4-year degree program designed to impart knowledge in several key areas related to fisheries and aquatic management.
We are the Bachelor of Science in Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences students, and we are ready to navigate the seas of opportunity towards sustainability and integrate the life beneath the wave.
Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. This program encompasses various disciplines such as biology, chemistry, microbiology, engineering, and nutrition to understand the physical, chemical, and biological properties of foods and develop innovative techniques for food manufacturing.
Hi, we are from Bachelor of Science in Food Technology.
Bachelor of Arts in Communication. A bachelor's degree in communication arts will prepare students to be competent communicators in today's diverse and evolving business, professional, and academic fields.
Hi, I'm Dominic Gabriel from the Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
And we're the voice for the voice. And we're the voice for the voice.
Maligayang pagbati sa mga hirang na mag-aaral mula sa Bachelor of Science in Psychology, ang inyong CAS Sangga.
Bachelor of Science in Criminology, ang mga matikas na mag-aaral.
Bachelor of Arts and Communication, ang malalakas.
Bachelor of Science in Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences, ang inyong kasama. Bachelor of Science in Food Technology, ang inyong kasabay sa kasiyahan.
Kay sayang pagmasdan, mga nakaraang umukit sa aming mga puso, mga hindi manilimutang karanasan, na siyang nagpabago sa aming pagkatao, mga sinulipang karanasan na hindi basta isang kisap mata lamang. Ito ay nagpapaalala sa amin na huwag matakot harapin ang mga bagay sa lahat ng larangan.